What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh. Most of Punjabi learners they struggle to understand Punjabi people. It is because they are not learning a street talk Punjabi. Most of them they are learning a textbook Punjabi, probably from their teacher or probably directly from a book. If you want to learn colloquial Punjabi, then follow this podcast. I will also tell you the difference between a textbook Punjabi versus street talk Punjabi. If you want to learn more about Punjabi from me, then check out my Patreon. And if you want to improve your listening skills in Punjabi, then follow my another Punjabi podcast, the Amrinder Singh podcast. All the links are in the description. Now let's get started. So today we're going to learn some basic phrases for a conversation. Basically, these are the colloquial phrases I'm going to tell you in one specific situation. Let's say if you are going to drive or you are in the car, how would you talk to your friends, whatever? Maybe you are 2-3 friends, or maybe how Punjabi people talk. All right, I'm gonna give you some simple sentences. What kind of sentences could be could be used in that specific situation? All right. So my purpose is you can notice when we talk colloquial Punjabi, we basically speak very short sentences. We don't make things complicated. So sometimes it's in the books complicated. So it's pretty simple, and that's what I'm going to tell you. And I will also compare the colloquial sentences, which is spoken by Punjabi people, compared to the books. All right, how books will tell you how did you say these kind of sentences and how we say. All right. Now let's say maybe anybody, they're going somewhere. All right. Now they are trying to get in the car, and if somebody say, okay, I'm gonna drive, right? How he would see, how he would say this thing. Now book will tell you like he was gonna say, मैं कार चलाना चाहता हाँ. That's so weird, all right? If I say to anybody here, they're gonna laugh at me. They're gonna like, what's wrong with me, all right? And that's what books tell you, all right? This is not incorrect. That's the actual correct sentence. But this is not how people talk. It's only for books, right? So if you're learning this one, so sometimes, I don't think maybe some people can laugh at you, but not all. Some people can think, oh, okay, you're learning. But this is not how we talk, all right? So let's say if we are 3-4 friends, I want to say just like, I'm going to drive the car. I'm going to say like, मैं कार चलाऊंगा, all right? Or मैं कार चलानी है, all right? If I say मैं कार चलानी है, all right? So it's mean more likely I'm saying like I want to drive the car. If I say मैं कार चलाऊंगा, it's like a more command. I will drive the car. All right, that's the difference. मैं कार चलाऊंगा or मैं कार चलानी है. Now, yeah, it depends how you wanna say. If maybe it's your friend's car, you will say मैं कार चलानी है, right? It means I want to drive. Or otherwise, you can also say मैं कार चलाऊंगा. You can also say to you if he is a really good friend, you just command like I'm gonna drive, whatever, right? All right. Now you get in the car, and if you wanna say to one friend, like I just sat on the back seat, right? You will say like, पिछली सीट ते बैठ जा, पिछली सीट ते बैठ जा, सीट ते. Or you can say जा मांगर बैठ जा, तू यार मांगर बैठ जा, all right? एक जना मूरे बैठ जाओ, एक जना मांगर बैठ जाओ. So what does it mean? एक जना मूरे बैठ जाओ, right? One person like can sit on the front seat and one is on the back seat, all right? Now the book is gonna say like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿਛਲੀ seat ਤੇ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਓ, all right? Or book is gonna say like I don't think book says jana. I don't know what book says in this situation. All right, so we are gonna use jana. I never heard this one jana in the books. Maybe they're gonna say like ek aadmi. I don't know. Anyway, we are gonna use jana. Or book is gonna say like ek jana mure beh jo or baith jao. I think they're gonna say baith jao. Ek jana mure baith jao. Ek jana piche baith jao. All right. And that's probably gonna say I'm still using, I think, the semi formal in this way. I don't know how books are gonna say this one. It's not in my mind at this moment. But we're gonna say like ek jana mangar vejo, ek jana mure vejo, right? That's all gonna. Mangar means back, all right? This is another word. I could also say piche vejo. Piche and mangar is the same thing, all right? Piche vejo, mangar jana, mure vejo. Now, if you wanna say close the window, you can say taki band kar lo. If you wanna command two people, you are two friends, you can say taki band kar lo yaar, right? If you wanna say to one person, they say taki band kar la, all right? Taki band kar la. In the book, they're gonna say like tusi taki band kar labo, all right? Tusi taki band kar labo. So shortcut, people just say taki band kar la, all right? Or for two people, if you wanna even use with two, like you wanna say all people in the car, like close the window, you can say taki band kar lo. Or if you want to give respect to somebody, then you can also say taki band kar lo, all right? Now you wanna say close the mirror, whatever, right? I don't know how to say, use a window as well, because in the car there are two things, right? You open the window and then you close the window. You have also not the mirror, I mean glass. You keep the glass down if you wanna get some air. If you just wanna like close the glass, you can, right? Anyway, so in this situation, they're gonna say sisa band karla, all right? Sisa band karla or sisa khol de. Khol de means open the glass. Band karla means close the glass, all right? Sisa khola, all right? And sisa band karla, all right? So it is same like taki band karla, taki khola or khol de. Now, difference with khola and khol de, I also talked about this thing before. If I locked in the car, right, I'm saying to you like open my window where I'm sitting, I will say khol de, because you are going to do for me khol de, meri taki khol de. But if I want to tell you, just open your window, right? Not my window, your window, you say taki khola, all right? That's the difference. Taki khola, taki khol de, all right? Khola means just do it for yourself. Khol de means like a do it for me. Khola and khol de, that's the difference. Keep in mind. I think made a separate podcast on it very specifically. I don't remember which one, but you can check this one. I think this is really important when I talked about these kind of things. Anyway, now we start driving, all right? If the driver is driving fast, right, and you want to say, don't drive that fast, all right? You can say like, ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ, ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ ਕਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰੇਗਾ, ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ, all right? So it means ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ. Any means like don't drive that fast. You can hit somebody, all right? ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰੇਗਾ, all right? So now in the book, how is it gonna write this sentence in the book? In the book, it's going to be like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਗੱਡੀ ਨਾ ਚਲਾਓ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, all right? That's the book. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਗੱਡੀ ਨਾ ਚਲਾਓ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. I'm just laughing because of this sentence. So nobody says that, right? So they're gonna say like just very shortcut. ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਗੱਡੀ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰੇਗਾ. ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਗੱਡੀ ਨਾ ਚਲਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰੇਗਾ. Now you can see here, all right? We are not using sakda like ਤੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਡੀ ਮਾਰ ਸਕਦਾ, something like that. This is the difference between textbook Punjabi and colloquial Punjabi, and that's what I'm trying to teach you through this podcast, all right? When it's come to your speaking, that's totally fine. Whatever you want to speak, you can speak. What is important for listening, all right? If you want to listen a Punjabi person, then that's important. And another thing, you won't see these kind of things, man. When we're talking this book things, you don't see. And that's so funny. And so if I say any kind of sentence like that, everybody is gonna think like, oh, what the hell I've been doing, or they're just gonna laugh, all right? So this kind of Punjabi doesn't exist in real world. But yeah, if we're reading something, yeah, that's how we read this kind of Punjabi in the newspaper, in the books. So that's how it is. So, but this is not how Punjabi people speaks, all right? So this is just, there's few sentences, maybe 3-4 sentences, I think that's enough. So first thing you can do is just recognize the sentence I say versus the book say, all right? This is the difference. And there's a lot of sentences, they are so different, all right? I'll make different kind of podcast on different kind of situation like I did here. If you're sitting in the car, all right, I can make more, but it could go long. And another thing is it's going to be many sentences. But yeah, literally like a normal thing, what you say when you are in the car, like a very few sentences. And that's how we say, and that's how it is in the book. Another time I'm going to use these kind of sentences, basic sentences in different situation. Yeah, I think this is a good idea to use some sentences. Before, we also make like a couple of podcasts about the vocabulary, the colloquial vocabulary, singular word. So, but I also teach you in when I was teaching you words, I was also using them in sentences. That's more important to use them in sentences if you want to remember them. But yeah, so this is a different, this is specific situation, specific, not only vocabulary, also sentences, what kind of sentences do we use. So yeah, another time and another sentence I'm going to use maybe another situation. So you can just compare with your Punjabi, maybe with your books, and you can find the difference. If you're learning these kind of sentences on the book, and you can, another thing you can, like if you are listening something, maybe in the car or watching something, when they are doing this kind of similar activity in the car, and you can notice what kind of Punjabi they use. Mostly they're going to use the way I used, all right? It's different. So if you enjoy this podcast, please show your support by contributing. This helps me to know that you are getting the value from it and want to see more. I would really appreciate it. You can support this podcast through PayPal and Patreon. Links are in the description. And if you are listening to this podcast on Apple Podcasts or Spotify, please give it to 5 stars. It would help this podcast to reach out to the more people. And another thing, if you are struggling to understand Punjabi pronouns, then check out my free ebook about Punjabi pronouns. Link is in the description. At the end, I hope you enjoy the lesson. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.